When building a new home, have you thought about the importance of proper flooring installation? Proper flooring installation is crucial, not only from appearance, functionality, but for maintaining your home warranty. You see, if the flooring is not installed properly, such issues can arise. Uneven surfaces, squeaky areas, and worst case scenario, structural damage over time. And these items would not be covered under your home warranty if the flooring was laid subpar. Therefore, as a benefit to my clients who are building a new construction home, on their behalf, I pay for a third-party inspection company to conduct several inspections throughout the new build process. One being making sure the flooring is installed properly. As your Florida real estate consultant, it is my job to ensure and protect your investment. Your goals, dreams, and future are my motivation.